Oh, that's gonna be shrimply delicious. Today, we are cooking on the salt lick.
That's a salt block. You said salt lick.
I said salt lick?
Yeah.
Today, we're gonna be cooking on the salt block, and we're gonna be doing some lemon garlic shrimp, and it's gonna be good. Oh yeah! Okay, so for that salt block, you wanna make sure you heat it up nice and slow. Otherwise, you risk the chance of actually cracking it, or it could even explode. We have some wild Patagonia shrimp. What do you think of when I say Patagonia?
Alone.
Alone. Has anybody seen the show Alone? Really good show. They go out there and survive by themselves, and they have to eat some really crazy stuff. Anyways, we've got some wild Patagonia shrimp here. It's very large. It's 16, so you got 13 or 16 of them per pound. Very big. So we'll get to deshelling these, and we will get to prepping our sauce for them. Let's do it. Just want to make sure you really get everything off of there. You don't want to have any of these shells left behind. Like little shrimps crawling along.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll rinse these off, get our hands washed, and finish them up. All right, so our shrimp is ready to go. Now we're just gonna add some ingredients here. So we've got some oil. We're just gonna throw some oil in there. We've got some lemon pepper. Got a bunch of lemon pepper. We've got some garlic. Definitely have the garlic. You have to have the garlic. This is lemon garlic shrimp. Now I've got quite a bit here. I don't know that I'll put it all in. You know what you like, so do what you like. All right, then we got some crushed red peppers. Give it a little spice. And then some parsley flakes for some more color. And now for our lemon. We're just gonna cut that in half. We'll go ahead and squeeze 1/2 in there to start. And then if you want a little more lemon, you can zest your lemon there a little bit on there if you want. All right, now we'll just kind of mix that together. Make sure everything's coated nice and well. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. So good. Okay, so we're gonna pull that salt block out of the grill. We'll set it right here and we'll cook our shrimp. Make sure you have gloves for this. Definitely have gloves. I don't want to hear about anybody burning themselves. Okay. Oh. All right, so that salt block is really hot. It's about 387 degrees, even hotter in some spots probably. All right, let's get that shrimp on there. Now this stuff is gonna cook really fast at that temperature, so make sure you watch it. Get that on there. Oh yeah. Smell it cooking already. Yeah, just toss some lemon on there too, why not? Oh, that's gonna be shrimply delicious. All right, so that shrimp is ready to go. So we're gonna pull it off and plate it up so it'll stop cooking. Oh, this stuff looks awesome. Really does. Look at that shrimp. That is mighty fine looking right there. And of course, we'll grab that lemon, throw that up there too. Oh, yes. Look at that. That is some lemon garlic shrimp right there. Done on the salt block. Telling you, if you haven't tried anything on the salt block, you gotta try it. It's so good. So good. All right, nothing left but to try it, so let's do it. Oh, yes. Shrimp. That's gonna be shrimply delicious. I know, I'm a nerd.
You are a dork.
Anyways, all right, let's try this. Oh, wow. Oh, there's so much flavor in that. So much flavor. You've got the garlic, you've got the lemon. You even have some spice in there. It's a little bit of heat. Whew. And of course, salt. The salt is there. I can definitely taste the salt. That salt block, you guys, if you've never tried it, you have to try it. You definitely have to try cooking on a salt block. Oh, man. And if you want to, you can still, I mean, there ain't no shame in hitting it with a little more lemon.
I dare you to lick it.
You dare me?
I dare you.
Oh, holy cow, that's salty. Oh, man. All right, might as well cook a steak on that salt block too, because that's delicious.